Time. All right, so here we are in Torino. You were here before. What we have to do is make all of this, cut this pieces off and weld on new. And then this tab around here, because this is all rotted out. And then this will be put back together, welded in here. And then you notice this has got a lot of waves in it, and the top's got some kinks and other things because something hit the roof and kind of messed it up, and the corners are kind of rotted out, so we have to get those also taken care of. I'm going to zoom in on those corners. You see there's just metal that's missing right here. I'm going to zoom in right here, and same thing on the other side. You can see that corner. So these are all kind of rotted out right here. I'm going to try to not zoom in so much now. Let's get it to focus. Hello. There we go. There it is. So this corner is missing. You can see my finger through here. Same thing in here. Somebody had done some previous work in here. And you see all these holes. They have been drilled through it. And so then they have Bondo in here. So we have to fix these holes, and then you can see this has been, it's wavy right here. This is not straight. There's a lot of dents in the roof, and this is kind of pushed down. And let's see. You see the work we have to do in here. And then this part here was rusted out, so this is cut out. And the underneath side is also, and then so that in here, same thing, welding in the strap of metal through here. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Oh, and you can see in here we have dents in the roof and stuff like that. And this is a bunch of Bondo in here all the way patching through, patching around, and there's Bondo all in this area over here. If I zoom in, you can see that Bondo scaling off here. Bondo, this is all Bondo all around. And there's the corner that's missing. So we'll reinforce this so it isn't made out of licorice anymore. Feel strong again. Thanks everyone for watching.